what is the most ground swallow me up embarrassing moment that's ever happened to you? During a visit to the mental asylum, I asked the director, how do you determine whether or not a patient should be institutionalized? Well, said the director, we fill up a bathtub, then we offer a teaspoon, a teacup, and a bucket to the patient and ask him or her to empty the bathtub. Oh, I understand, I said. A normal person would use the bucket because it's bigger than the spoon or the teacup. No, said the director. A normal person would pull the bathtub drain plug. Do you want a bed near the window?